Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Kind of a mouthful, but that's the name of this specific device. And this is a device that does indeed have the FRP lock enabled on it, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that it was reset, and to continue, we have to verify either the previous security screen pin lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google account instead, it'll also say that we can sign in with the previous Google account that was used on the device in order to be able to get in and set it up. So we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't get back in after doing a factory reset, after forgetting their password, or whatever the case may have been for their account. Or unfortunately, the other thing that happens a lot is that someone will buy a used device from a dishonest seller who doesn't tell them that the device is locked. And then after the purchase, the buyer of course discovers the lock, and of course they're not going to have any of the previous user's info, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case. So we're making this video here today to show anyone interested that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact device without having to have the previous user's login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to help you with this. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to you through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we did here on this one. So actually, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock, just so we can keep the video as short as possible. So now that that's all done, the only thing that we have left to do is to restart the device. And then we should be able to see after that that we can get all the way through the initial setup steps without running into those FRP lock screens. So just hold on a second here while it reboots. Okay, so we are back at the welcome screen and good to go. So I'm going to hit start, agree to terms and conditions, which we have to do. Set up manually. We actually don't need a Wi-Fi network, so we're just going to, whoops, turn off Wi-Fi and just hit skip and skip again. And then it's asked us about copying apps and data, which we don't, so we're just going to skip through all this stuff to get through it as fast as possible. Let's see, we don't need a screen lock. And we could never get to any of these screens previously, so that is a great indication that the lock is successfully removed. Let's see, we don't need a Samsung account. We're going to skip Samsung services, whatever. Okay, light mode. There we go. It says finish, and there we go. We're at the home screen. We have access to all of the apps and settings and features, and it is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to pop into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with here. So when we go under About Tablet, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And then that model number there, the SM-X510, the model number of this specific device, and Samsung does make a few different configurations. So if you have a Tab S9 FE that has the Google account lock enabled and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. While you're here, hitting that subscribe button will enable you to be notified of all of the new services and videos that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.